Hi, welcome back. This is video number 4 for week number 2. And in this video, I want to show you a specific service called Films on Demand. Films on Demand is a great electronic resource that allows you to access digital educational video. And video is a perfectly acceptable form of research. In fact, a lot of students really like it because they find it gives them a break from all of the reading that they've been doing. To access video, I'm going to go into this particular area here at databases, and then I'm going to go down to this particular button here, video streaming databases. When I click on that, another screen comes up and I end up with some different resources that are available. The one that I want to take a look at for people that are in dental, nursing, or personal support work is this one here called Films on Demand. And Films on Demand lets you access all sorts of videos that exist in the health-related field. When I click on it, it's going to ask me to log in using my Blackboard username and password. Because this service actually costs a lot of money to run, it's only available to those people that are studying at Niagara College. Once I get into the site, which will just take a few minutes here as it verifies my information, here we go. I end up with something that looks an awful lot like YouTube, and it works almost exactly like YouTube as well. So I can do a search up here at the top if I wish. So if I'm looking to find a specific topic, I'm just going to type in cell structure. It's going to give me some results based on segment. So I can get a full video, okay, that exists, right? Or I can get little clips. Okay, so this is a little clip called Cell Structure that comes from a series called Science in Progress. And I'm just going to scroll down just to give you an idea of all the huge range, okay, of videos that you get. All sorts of interesting stuff. So again, remember, you can watch the full video if you want, or if you're only interested in one particular part that comes up, you can watch that little segment simply by clicking on the title and then operating just like YouTube. So I've clicked start, just taking a few minutes. And I can fast forward, rewind, whatever I'd like to do, I can watch that particular video. Another interesting aspect of this film on demand is that I can access a transcript. And a transcript is an actual word for word copy of what's being said in the video. This is great, especially if you need to review or you find the video is going a little quickly or something for you. So you can actually read through the material. Using educational video is perfectly acceptable as a research source. And in fact, a lot of students have told me in the past that they use video as a kind of reinforcement for the sorts of things that they're learning in their area classes. So again, let's say, for example, you're covering cell structure in one of your classes, you're having some difficulty understanding what's in the textbook. Pop onto Films on Demand, see what you find, and you might find that you end up with a video on that particular topic. This is good, especially if you're a visual learner. So you might find, right, that you're really able to understand concepts a lot better than simply reading. This ends our little section on Films on Demand. Again, I'm going to ask you to pause at this point before you watch the next video and play with the Films on Demand service a little bit. Type in some conditions, things that you find interesting. See what sorts of videos you end up with. Play around. Make sure that you can play and that you get audio so that you know that this particular service is available for you. In our next video, we're going to start taking a look at the ebooks.